Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? I'm Bill Carrington, and in this video here, it's all about networking and how networking can help your company to grow, and by getting out and speaking and telling other people what your business is, whether you're selling a product, whether you're selling a service, whatever it is that you may be doing, you have to network. Just like with myself, I launched this new business. This business is being a speaker, a public speaker, being a speaker for businesses, being a motivational speaker, being a trainer, helping train employees where they can become better at what they're doing, managing that moment, that space that they are as an employee in a business, so where they can either get promotions or get raises. So that's what I do. I go through, and this part of what my business is all about. I do a lot of talking one-on-one. I answer a lot of emails right now. But that's what my business, and that's why I launched it back in June. I wanted to launch a new business that I believed in, and the things that I've done and learned over the years that can help other businesses to grow. And in this video, that's what this is about. It's about networking. And that's why I became a member of our local Chamber of Commerce, Princeton-Caldwell County Chamber of Commerce. And doing that will also help me to meet with other business owners, entrepreneurs, representatives from other businesses, and also state officials. But what it'll do, it'll help me grow my business as others grow their business. Because also, as I meet these business owners, I will also be able to communicate to other people, letting them know what these other companies have or businesses have to offer the public, and whether it's a product or a service, like I said. And that's what I found out through life as I came up. Different companies or different businesses I was with, they said, "Hey, look, Bill, I see you work well with people, you help motivate people, you get in there with them. I want you to start out and become a lead man." And so I started out that way. Started at the bottom, being a farm hand, being a lead man on the farm crew. And that's I think there was 5 of us total, so I was one and 4 people. But we've done excellent by doing it. So I kept people motivated. Some fell to the wayside. Some others came in and replaced them. But that was how I got my start. And from there, by networking and telling people, showing people what I could do to help other businesses, to help their business to grow, what I was trained coming up and where I went. And I went all the way up, and I've been a CEO, a chairman and CEO of a company, a marketing company out of Paducah. So I know when I say things, I know that it's true, and there's truth in what I'm saying. So that's what I'm saying, networking, getting out and networking, that's what this video is all about, it's networking. Because I've worked for a lot of people who did not want to even speak to 1 or 2 people. That would be it. They wouldn't speak to any larger groups. They wouldn't explain to people what their business was about, unless it was just one-on-one or maybe on the phone. But to a group of people, they couldn't do it. And so through my career, I've been able to get my promotions by being able to speak to people, to not being afraid to get up in front of a group of people and speak on a certain subject. And then also, through that time, when businesses, I've been in commercials, I've been in newspaper, radio, TV, and it's all because of being able to take that step, not being afraid. Take that step. I may slip and fall, but I'll get up and dust myself off. And that's what it is in networking. You may not really like networking, but networking is a must for any business to grow. You must get out there and network. And that is part of what, in my videos, it's all about different stages that you go through in your business. All I'm asking, you can email me. My email's down there. It will be running at the bottom, or it'll be at the end of the video. You can email me, and we can talk either one-on-one, or I can come in and work with you at your location. Like I say, my rates are fair, but whatever you do, if you want to just listen to the videos, listen to them, take notes, and then, like I say, improve on your business. Because that's what I'm here to do, just to help by doing many different things. One of them in this video is networking. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. God bless you all.